Yo, how's it going? Starting to gonna try and upload the videos like a quick how I did it for myself, kind of like recording the backlog, you know. So what I've been working on at the moment is the new build for my fitness tracking app, which I've decided I'm gonna do in React Native TypeScript, because Swift wasn't great. How it was like limitations of Apple in it. Didn't really like that. Bit annoying. So before I got into it today, so I figured out how to actually start up and use the components and how the routing works. It's actually fairly easy. So I've got here is what is it? Home menu there. So you got the home on the text in the middle. It's just display, so I'll probably keep that as is. Probably change to prop so I can just assign it. And just title roots. As long as it matches the name, if I click that, it will just take me there. That's alright. Use an APO like React Expo to do the development side of it, all previewing that. But the issue I've got with this is native Win just doesn't work really well with that, so I've had to go through and do shared styles, which I'm going to do with like global elements, and then I'm also going to do some local ones as well. Not too sure like best practices for this, but I'm not really too fussed as long as it works for me, so it's alright. Who needs to care about good code practices when it's just me? So yeah, it's pretty good. Everything all works, but it's not much to break. So yeah, I think next steps is to what's my notion? God, what is next steps? Look at the data structure there, how all that works. Should be easy enough. Probably gonna look at Watermelon DB, something SQL based, and then I remember the last time I had a big issue with I needed to clone the templates because I kept distorting the original ones instead of making a new workout and I was logging it. But yeah, see how that goes. This is like kind of like get us to cursor and spit me this out. It's like a rough kind of plan. Wasn't too bad in all honesty. Like most things, it's getting me a decent, at least base starting point off to go on. Everything from Swift it all worked, but there's just like silly little things I couldn't really get out of. It was really hard to implement, like text fields and stuff. Like just to get inputs was like probably like 10 plus more lines of code than it needed to be for everything. It's like every input you had, it was like really big and bulky, so I didn't really like that. So I'm going to try and keep it nice, managed, heavily componentized. And then I think the big issue I had about with Swift was it was really hard to write quality of life functions because the Apple syntax, everything was different, everything was new in Swift. Didn't like that, so I'm going to keep it JavaScript friendly, which is what I know. So yeah, hopefully it'll go okay. See what I get up to tomorrow, and then yeah, it'll be really good. So that's the development side. And then what do I have for the designs? I ended up going through this. Here's what I've got. It's kind of like the main stuff. I want to make a 3JS shader out of that actually. And it's not the best identity in the world. Well, it's not really the best. It's not really identity to be fair. But I quite like this. So I want to make like a tool for this, put like the background. Quite like that. So see how that leads me. But yeah, see how I get on tomorrow. Hopefully, make a decent amount of progress. So yeah, cool. In a bit.